Alley picked, yeah, alley picked. Turn the old into something slick.
Today's quick tip is all about getting the most out of your wax applications by using the right brush for the job. You can use a standard brush for applying wax on a piece of wood, but there's a huge difference when you switch to a dedicated, thicker wax applicator brush, like this quality one from Rolling Dog. They also come in different sizes. I'll have links in the video description. So there's at least 4 reasons why it's better to use a dedicated brush for applying wax.
Dedicated to the proposition that all paintbrushes are not created equal.
Tip number 1, better coverage. The thicker brushes hold more wax, so each stroke lays down a richer, more even coat while getting deep into those nooks and crannies. Tip number 2, you save time because these things hold more product, so you're loading it less often and you're finishing faster. Tip number 3, it's gentle on the finish. These soft, thicker bristles glide without scratching, which is especially important on delicate or detailed parts. Tip number 4, there's no need to clean the brush. You just put it in a Ziploc bag or wrap it in some plastic until next time you need it. Now there might be some certain paste waxes that will harden on the brush and you'll have to clean that, but that's why you need to buy yourself some of my special product called Slip and Shine. This is a fantastic wax. You'll find hundreds of uses for it. There's only 3 ingredients: beeswax, carnauba wax, and mineral oil. Now, lucky for you, I happen to have an extra brand new Rolling Dog brush. And I'm pretty generous. So if you're interested in having one of these free brushes to try it out for yourself, leave a comment telling me why you need it. I'll have a drawing in a couple days and I'll select one of you as the winner. Wax brushes. And that's today's quick tip.
Alley picked, yeah, alley picked. Turn the old into something slick. Alley picked, oh, alley picked. From forgotten to fantastic real quick.